Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify home office deduction with Zoom using SupportDesk. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have your Zoom application open on your computer or mobile device. Next, log into your SupportDesk account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Home Office Deduction section. Here, you'll see an overview of the requirements needed for the deduction. Follow the on-screen prompts to gather necessary documentation. Prepare your home office details, including square footage and expenses. Then, proceed to set up a meeting with a SupportDesk representative through Zoom. Select a convenient time from their calendar for your meeting. Once you have scheduled your appointment, check your email for the Zoom meeting link. At the scheduled time, click the link to join the meeting. Introduce yourself and explain that you want to verify your home office deduction. Share your prepared documentation during the call. The representative will review your information and ask any follow-up questions. Be ready to discuss the specifics of your home office setup. Listen carefully to their feedback and guidance on your deduction eligibility. Once the meeting concludes, take note of any recommendations they provide. Afterward, ensure you follow through on any additional steps they suggest. Finally, keep a record of your meeting and documentation for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.